All right, guys, here we are, part 9 of the garage. You've been following us, getting there pretty good. So now we're doing all the fun stuff, the last minute stuff. I got these little tiles, hexagon tiles, and kind of mismatched some colors here. I'm gonna put this set right there, up there in that little corner, and then this set is gonna go up there. I think it looked pretty cool, kind of contemporary, kind of fun. So yeah, I'll do a little time lapse showing these guys up, and I got some other stuff to follow after this. All right, pretty quick and dirty, pretty cheap little art. I like it. And these are, what do they call them? They're acoustic panels as well. So it should help with the echo in here. That's the idea. It kind of fills in the space a little bit. We'll see. I was hoping for a deeper red, but it's fine. It's okay. It's cool enough. All right, we'll do the same thing kind of in this corner right here. All right, quick and dirty. I like this one better than that one with the gray wall. I don't know, it's whatever, I can live with it. All right, next we're gonna do some little traction tape, some red right there, so no one eats it because it's all black floor coming out. I know it's there, but other people won't know it's there, so I'll do that real quick. And just like that. All right, well, let's keep it moving. Got that little stingray I gotta put up. I'm thinking right there. Cool, that'll work right there. And actually, all the little tiles that over here, I painted them black. I did not like that light gray and red on the gray wall. I like the black better. I think it looks cool. And I'm watching Cheers. I'm on a Cheers kick lately. These, I'll keep. I'm fine with this, I think. But I gotta go ahead and get my naked woman up here. And just like that. I've had this black and white photo, this chick, she's my first apartment since '06. And it's just followed me. Now it's in my garage. All right, what's next? I got a whole bunch of neon lights I gotta put up. I guess up here, maybe over here. I don't know, let me think about it for a minute. All right, a couple days later here, I got some cool little pictures to put up both here and here. What have I done in the meantime? Put that little guy over there. I got my little sign up right there. And I think you guys have seen everything else. So yeah, we'll go ahead and put this guy right here. All right, looks pretty cool. All right, let's do this one over here. Cool, I like it. That's pretty neat. Easy day. The last thing I gotta do to wrap up this video is something big for right here. Be here in about 3 days, but for you guys, it'll be in like 2 seconds. So I think you guys will enjoy it. And after this video should be closed out. I will be doing little things here and there, but for the most part, the garage is pretty much done. I'm pretty happy with it. All right, I'll see you guys in a couple days for this guy. All right, guys, a few days later, my final piece actually came in finally. It's 5 little pieces right there, which I will get up there in 1 second. And I did order a couple more things for that corner over there. It's kind of bare, I don't like it. That'll be here tomorrow or the next day. And this video can finally get closed out and the garage is done. Oh, my other stuff came too for 4th of July. It's on my 4th of July goodies. I'm pretty excited. I just learned you can order fireworks online. They're pretty much anywhere. Like the fun ones that go in the sky and blow up. So a whole bunch of mortars and rockets, all kind of fun stuff. Any case, back to the video. All right, I'm gonna get that guy up there real quick. And once this is up, I got a little fun surprise for it too. All right, there it is, pretty cool. 80 inches wide by about 4 feet tall, 5 pieces, obviously. Now this would be good enough, and it looks cool, but I did one more thing, let me show you. Now it's cool. That's pretty rad. Pretty neato little setup. It looks so small because the space is so big. No, it's 80 inches wide. It's almost 7 foot wide. It's pretty cool. Now I want a 01. I got a yellow Z06. It's pretty much the same thing, right? All right, so next day, that's all squared away, looking good. Got this little guy on, it's kind of bright, but I got this cool chair yesterday too. I didn't film putting it together, but pretty neat. It's got a little kickstand too for your feet, so I can watch TV and stuff. In any case, to wrap this video up, we got 3 little LED lights that look like neon lights, but they're LED. I used to have a GTO. I do miss it, and I got this on Amazon. It's super cheap. It's pretty cool. It's really cool. Backlit engine lights, red. It's really, really sharp, and just you know, obligatory Route 66 sign. So we'll put these as a little cluster up here in this empty little corner. Up here, there's already an outlet. How perfect is that? So I'll go ahead and throw them up and get them all wired up and turn them on for you. And bam, my little LEDs are up there. Looks pretty cool. I like it. The third one, the little check engine light, was kind of with a black background. It kind of killed the effect, so I moved it over here. It's a little better. But that's fine. For our needs, it's pretty cool, and it kind of matches that red, so I'm happy with that. So yeah, boys and girls, we are pretty much done in the garage. The last 2 things I got to do that I'm not going to do in this series of videos is mini split. I'll probably put it right up there. Maybe right there, but probably right there. That'll be its own separate video. And then obviously a 4-post lift, which this guy will go on top, and then the car will go underneath. But those will be their own standalone videos. But yeah, very happy with it. Took about 2 months to do all this stuff. Life happens, you know. But no, pretty cool, guys. Feel free to ask questions. And I'll see you guys in the next video. For this channel, the next video is going to actually be my daughter's bedroom. We're going to redo that whole thing. That should be pretty fun. And I probably will do a complete compilation of all the little videos I did on the garage, kind of clumped together in one bite-sized video for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this series. I'll catch you guys next time. Mark out.